Building a Blockchain Game with Unity by Adam Dasa. This tutorial provides step-by-step instructions for building a simple blockchain game using Unity and the Ethereum blockchain. It covers the basics of smart contract development, game design, and integrating the two using Unity's API. Creating a blockchain game with Unity and Loom Network by Kieran Farr. This tutorial focuses on creating a game using Unity and Loom Network, a blockchain platform designed specifically for game development. It covers creating and deploying smart contracts, integrating them with Unity, and designing game mechanics that leverage the security and transparency of the blockchain. Building a crypto collectibles game with Unity and ERC-721 by Alex Casas. This tutorial demonstrates how to create a collectibles game using Unity and the ERC-721 standard, which is used for creating non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the Ethereum blockchain. It covers everything from creating the smart contract to designing the game mechanics and integrating the two using Unity. Developing Crypto Games, a complete guide by James Martin Duffy. This guide provides an overview of the entire process of developing a crypto game, from ideation to deployment. It covers game design, blockchain integration, smart contract development, and deployment, with a focus on using Unity as the game engine. How to build a blockchain game with Unity and EOS by Julian Martinez. This tutorial demonstrates how to create a game using Unity and the EOS blockchain, which is known for its speed and scalability. It covers setting up the blockchain infrastructure, creating and deploying smart contracts, and integrating them with Unity using the EOSIO SDK.